Okay, so today we are doing a fairly simple design. I saw something similar online and I felt inspired to recreate it. So that's what we're going to do today. I am going to use one of my new colours that were sent to me. She looks fresh, not like all my other dirty bottles on my wall. If you're a nail tech, you understand the struggle to keep these bottles clean. We are only going to use two colours today. We're literally just using this gorgeous colour. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh. Yeah, so that colour, and also we're using, you can do these in summer colours, but it just is a nice design to add into any mix and match sets that your clients want. So if they want a little bit of ombre, if they want some chrome, if they want a swirl nail or anything like that, this is always it's a good staple design to have in the old brain. So with all that being said, let's get into it. I am just mixing my pinched and matte together currently. The base coat and pinched mixed together has become one of my favourite base colours. And that's weird for me because I am such an acrylic girly. Like, I love biab, I love all of that, but I like my acrylic. And when I'm doing full sets, obviously Naio's cover powders are so good that you don't need to use a gel base. Like, you don't need to put clear acrylic on and then use a gel polish to create your colour. Because if you've got, I mean, all nail techs will know, if you've got a client that likes French or designs often, they will always have their staple like cover acrylic that they choose to have. Right, we've mixed that up. That is ready to rumble. I'm going to put our first layer of that on. It goes on so easy. It's lovely. So tell me, is anyone going on holiday anytime soon? And if you are, where are you going? Oh, I'm painting more of my finger than the nail at this point. But hey, that's me. First coat of our base is done. I'm going to put that in for 60 seconds and then we will get on with the next. Is second coat. We're not going to see much of this because we're going to paint over it, but we still need something under there. Oh my god, my stomach. I don't know if you just heard that, but it was loud. That's two coats of pinched and base coat. Again, just a reminder that you can use this mixed together as a nice French base. So this design is going to run through the centre of your nail. I'm just going to map out a rough line. Okay, and then you're going to want to twist it round. And just ever so slightly drag it out towards the outer edge. And as you can probably guess, we are going to fill that in. This colour is so pretty. It's definitely showing a bit more red on camera. It's definitely more cherry sort of coloured. Well, I suppose cherry is red, but you know what I mean. It's got more of a pinky tone to it off of camera. So we're just making sure that the top section of the nail is exactly where we want it. It can be as thick or thin as you want, really. It doesn't have to be exact. This is a really good filler design for a set if you've got someone that wants 5 different designs on the hand, one for each nail. This is a really good idea. If you're struggling for designs to fill out that person's set. Try and even out those lines. Cool. I'm going to put that in for 60 seconds and then we're going to do a second coat. So now that we have our pattern on here, we are going to go in with Snow White and draw in some lines. I show you in the center. Oh my god, my hands are shaking. Yeah, that hurt my feelings. That just wasn't going well. I'm gonna have to start again. Right, here we go. Let's not overthink it. Let's just go with it. We're going to repeat that now on the other side. Do you know what? I don't trust myself. I'm about to start the other side and I just know I'm gonna mess something up. I'm just going to put it in and cure it for like 10 seconds just to flash cure, because I don't feel like redoing all of those lines, if I'm honest. Oh, I'm not breathing. Also, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy this new content. So there she is. She's cute, very simple. If you're doing a mix and match set, this is a really good nail to just incorporate. You can do it with glitter, you can do it with nudes, pinks, anything like that. So that is our finished outcome. It's kind of gradient, I guess. They are gradient lines. I'm just going to use our top coat now. Sour Cherry, this colour is that I'm using today. If you want to purchase this colour, then make sure that you take a look in the description and click the link, and that will send you straight to where you need to be to add it into your basket. Just remember that all our products are linked in the description below on every post. Just cure that and then we'll take a final look. Right, here she is. Cute. Don't get me wrong, the lines could be better. I am not going to sit here and pretend that I am the world's best nail artist, because I'm not, but I'm doing my best. So if you do decide to recreate this look, then please take a picture or a video, a reel even, and just tag us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, anywhere you like. I really hope that you enjoyed that tutorial. Please give us a like and a thumbs up if you enjoyed that. And yeah, that's me done. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.